JR here from the BrushFires Ministry. If you saw our introduction video, you know that we talked about the three main pillars of the BrushFires Ministry. That is your purpose, unity in the body, as well as discipleship. Well, this video is all about purpose, and why is purpose so important for us to discover for ourselves and for us to actually walk out and live out. Here's the deal. You have a DNA of your soul. You may not know that, but my friend Kristen would refer to it as your divine nature acquired. It's the aspect of who you are as a child of God that is waiting for you to discover. And it's your responsibility to pursue it and to discover it. Well, if you go through life, let's say if we equate that purpose to a tool such as a hammer, and you go through life and all the opportunities that are presented to you, all the possibilities of what you can do here on the earth are clearly for a screwdriver, you're going to go through life in a very frustrated manner. Now, this happens because people will convince us to pursue a career that will make lots of money, but absolutely make us miserable inside. They will convince us that ministry really isn't for you because it's for those people on stage, and all these other lies, really, that we are deceived by. So here's the thing. Discover your purpose. You were wired a specific way. There is an aspect of the eternal, of the holy that is inside you that is waiting to be lived out here on earth. The whole point of a Christian is not for us to get into heaven, is for heaven to get into us so that we can start to bring heaven to earth. That is your role as a believer. That is what you're supposed to do. And if you do not discover your purpose, you will never be able to achieve what it is that God created you to achieve. So take the time. Go to our website, brushfires-digital.com. Sign up for our workshop package. Do the assessments. Figure out exactly what it is that God created you to do. I will give you an absolute guarantee here, and nobody gives guarantees anymore. If you pursue your God-given purpose, it will be the most joy-filled experience. Now, I'm not promising you it's going to be easy, because when you pursue your purpose, you will be really aggravating the demons in other people, and they won't be happy with you. But you'll be able to look yourself in the mirror at the end of the day and go, what I did was good. What I created was good. What I was part of was good, and God was honored. Go to brushfires-digital.com. Sign up for the digital workshop. Discover your purpose. God bless you.